Faith defies logic. Faith is emotionally charged. And emotional brain is more than 20 times powerful than logic. If you are going to be more logical, then faith might not work for you. Because logic is based on pattern recognition, is based on what is known, is based on reasoning, making sense analysis of what is in front of you. But faith is beyond that. Logic is based on the laws of physics, but faith is based on quantum physics, quantum mechanics, what is unknown. We use faith to arrive to what is unknown, but you use logic to move from what's known to unknown. So you see, if you are going to work with what is known, surely things are going to work according to the self-fulfilling prophecy, because you are going to say, based on what is happening now in my life, I think this is the fate, I think this is the trajectory and the destiny of my life. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani noma ubani, ngoba impilo isiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esiwa khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli. Uyabona, uyabona uSathane, the negative energy usebenzisa wena ukuthi wena uzidicelele phansi. Usebenzisa wena ukuthi wena ungazethembi, ngoba kunanto ekuthiwa is self-fulfilling prophecy, ukuthi wena uthatha information ekhona manje ngempilo yakho. Uma ngabe kuukuthi things are not working out the way supposed to, or the way you want them to, then when now you use that information to determine your next reality. Then because the reality is not fixed, the reality is a simulation, is based on, the reality is being cooked, or the reality happens and as the time you engage with it, it is not fixed. Then it means you are creating your reality based on what is currently, based on the information that you currently possess. Then the reality that you are going to create is surely going to match the information you used. Guys, mangabe wakha indlu ngama bricks, leyo ndlu mesiphelile kuyaba yini indlu eyakhiwe ngama blocks? Cha, the product, the ultimate product will resemble the raw material. Ngeke uthi wakhe ngama bricks bese kuphuma indlu yama blocks and blocks. So when if you are going to predict your reality based on the current information that you have now, surely the ultimate reality that you are going to have is going to be the child is going to have the attributes of this current information, is going to resonate with the current information. Therefore, you are repeating the very same reality. You are creating your own reality. And what law is that? That is the law of creation. You are responsible for the creation of your own reality and your own life. It's not the other way around. It's not that someone is cooking the reality for you. You and now you are given information, you are given raw material, you are given all these things. And now you are creating, you are building. Lendifana nan, good people. Lendifana nokuthi unikezwe everything that you are going to be given. Wena ngaleyo into leyo, omunye ngalento anikezwa yona wakha indlu ahlale kuyona, omunye ngalonto lo yanikezwe yona uyayilimaza yena. Kuya ngokuthi wena lento onikezwa yona wenzani ngayo, ngoba kunento ethi you have to try to change the lemon to lemonade, because at some point I said it's not about what is happening in your life, it's about your reaction to it that matters the most. It's all about the reaction, and the reaction is what devil wants. Devil deveil negative energy, negative emotion, because it's not about what a person said to you. Okwenza ukuthi uqasuke. It's about the reaction yakho. It's not about what happens to you. It's about wena reaction yakho. And the reaction yakho is based with meaning that you are going to give the situation. And the meaning that you are going to give your situation is based on your worldviews, your beliefs, your programming. Yabon? You cannot think more than you believe. You cannot think more than you believe. And you cannot feel more than you think. So you see how these things are interconnected. So you can't change the ultimate product. You have to change the programming. Things may fall apart in front of you. Things may fall apart in front of me. Both of us. But for me, the programming I have, I say, okay, I know this thing, this thing that is happening in my life is for me to be strong, it's for me to overcome it. I need darkness to be able to see light. So I need all of these things. It's not that I am a failure. For the mere fact that I'm still alive, I still have a chance. So the beauty of the thing, or the beauty of the victory, is in the difficulty of what is being overcome. So all of those things that I'm telling myself will propel me, will energize me, and that is faith, emotionally charged. So I will go there, I'll try to conquer every situation in my life with that. You see, someone else, the things fall apart empilweni yakho, uyitshela ukuthini? Nazo, here we come again. Ayikho into elungayo vele. Life always sucks. All these things, what is going to happen? Ngalokho kwenza kwakhe uzofila negative, uzofila powerless and hopeless. Ngaleyo ndlela those are negative emotions. Kwenzakalani? Kune field ekuyena umuntu around, auric field. Leyo nto asayifila ngalesi sikhathi, consume that auric field, and that person becomes weaker and weaker for each and every situation, to the point of the situations defeats that person. Ngenxa yakhe ukuthi uzitshela ukuthini about what is happening, because life is all about meaning giving. Our minds are meaning generating machines. But as for me, or someone else will say, I'll conquer, even this one, I'll conquer. Uzoba ukuthi auric field yakhe expands. Angithi about this is the polar opposite. The negative emotions, they take the auric field away. You become weak. Positive emotions, they expand the field and you become powerful. You conquer each and every situation. Because in this life, it's all about what? It's all about energy. Everything is energy. When it's up to you ukuthi umecha nayo leyo situation, a bad and a terrible situation that is happening in your life. You can match it. If you match it, you'll become one with it. Or if you don't match it, you'll create a different scenario and different reality. You are not going to resonate with it. Therefore, it won't stay with you. But if you accommodate it, you vibrate according to, it takes it down to its level. Then, when another situation then it's going to stick with you forever. That's the thing.